Inequations are solved in exactly the same way as equations. For example, to solve x minus 4 more than 6, we solve the equation x minus 4 equals 6 and place the same symbol back. You need to know the symbols and the meaning. For example, more or equal than 5 includes 5 and any number to the right of 5 in the number line. More than 5 does not include 5, so we signal this using an empty dot. 5 is not part of the solution, but any number bigger than 5 is. Less than means numbers smaller than 5, so they are to the left of 5 on the number line. Last but not least, less or equal than 5 includes 5 and any number to the left of 5. For example, when solving 5x plus 3 more than 23, we solve the equation which has a solution x equals 4 and we replace the same symbol back. X must be greater than 4, not including 4. That is why the circle is empty and 4 is not part of the solution. As another example, to solve the inequation, we solve 3x plus 2 equals x minus 4 and we replace the same symbol back. X must be greater or equal than negative 3 including negative 3, and that is why the circle is full. Minus 3 is part of the solution. Same again, solving the equation leads to x equals negative 6. Replacing the inequation symbol back, x must be greater or equal than negative 6. That includes negative 6 as part of the solution. Sometimes it is better to collect the x's to the right-hand side. This is to avoid ending up with a negative sign in front of x. Please take care of placing the correct symbol back. 6 less than x is the same that x more than 6. Any number bigger than 6 is part of the solution. Some inequations involve brackets and require some manipulating before you attempt to solve them. Stop the video here and attempt to solve it. Right. Expanding brackets, collecting like terms, and solving for x leads to x more than negative 3. To finish with, I will go over an inequation with fractions. We solve the equation using cross product. Collecting x's to the left and numbers to the right leads to 4x equals negative 15. So x must be bigger than negative 15 over 4. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!